Alright, hi all. So as you can see, I'm working on a different project altogether here. This is a 1969 old Cutlass 4-door. This is a South Dakota frame. So, sorry about the wind, it's a little windy today. But we're getting pretty far on this. This is a donor car for the Cutlass that we have in the garage that you've probably seen in a couple episodes, and so far it's under the knife. We got the fenders off. The front radiator support's going to be the next thing right here. All right, dog. Yeah. Let's see here. Frame underneath. This is the reason why we got the South Dakota frame. She gone. So, as you can tell, probably the only thing that's holding this whole body engine to the chassis right now is probably the 2 bolts on this side and on that side, which doesn't look like there's much holding it at all. So, little things that I've noticed as I'm taking apart this car. This is a 1970 Olds Cutlass, but the frames are interchangeable. Let me know if that's a standard way. I'm guessing that's how they got to the heater motor, blower motor. But yeah, it's definitely interesting. I'm guessing with the fenders in place, you can't really get to it, but she's a 350 Rocket. Let's see, doesn't look too good in there. Glad we didn't start it up or anything like that. Carburetor's free, but this is the fancy model. It's got AC on it, you know, straight from the factory. AC enabled. We cleaned off the label. It's a Frigidaire special. So this is the main goal this summer. I know I just posted a video of the Ford. Ford's sitting over there now. She's got all the stuff she needs. I'll post some more things on her, but this is a Cutlass project, so I will keep you guys posted on the progress. So got a little bit more work done on the Cutlass here. We got the radiator support out. As you can see, this is just stuff that's fallen off. We've been starting to collect it to see how much weight reduction we get here. Let's see here, we got the crank pulley all ready to go. Let's see if this thing rotates at all. Nope, she is stuck. So I kind of expected that with this car sitting for so long. Looks like we might have to get her rebuilt, but got the bumper off, test fitted on the Cutlass over here. Everything matched up, so that's just perfect. Start removing some more stuff here. As you can tell in a couple other videos, this was butted right up to this. So when I put a jack stand on the only solid part of this frame, it brought that front end back down and brought this up. So definitely the frame is shot. So other things, we've had a couple bolts break. Let's see here. This one we had break, so we'll have to replace that. I had to cut 2 of these guys out, as you can tell all the rust there, but other than that, we're getting close. Motor, the trans bracket, that's taken out. and the 2 bolts that were in the trans are out. So at this point, it's the engine bracket, some miscellaneous wiring, and we'll pull this motor and have it rebuilt. I've had it rebuilt before, or an engine rebuilt at this one place, and my truck's been running pretty good with it. I'll let you guys know if they can take care of this, if they can, if they can't. You know, I'd like to keep this, you know, somewhat a numbers matching, even though we're swapping out the frame. But, you know, you do what you can do, and let's, you know, hope for the best. I'm gonna end this video here, and again, follow progress on this car if you want. Like I said, we're definitely repairing this. This is a kind of a family heirloom here, so I'll keep you posted, and just watch for updates. All right, until next time, see you guys.